Hey man, it's more Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle, man. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, man, we got something interesting, something that I've kind of really been wanting to do, and now I kind of have the opportunity to do it. So as you guys can tell by the title, we have a merch review for Tyler the Creator. I don't even want to call it merch. I want to say we have his brand review for Wang. And it's like, I've been peeping a lot of it throughout the years. I'm talking about before I freaking started my channel and whatnot. I've seen a lot of his pieces. He did big time collabs. I know I've seen him do collabs with like Converse, his various things. And I know that his brand is like nice up there. A lot of like, you know, big time people and artists wearing it. So I'm actually very, very excited to actually be doing a review of it. When you guys had notified me that they had like a new collection that dropped. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Of course, I'm gonna give my honest viewpoint. And again, guys, if you guys, you know, enjoy this content, I'll just ask you guys to smash up the freaking like button. I'm about to go ahead and pull out the laptop, but if you're new to the channel, the first thing I'm gonna need you guys to do is freaking subscribe, because we're reaching 10,000 subscribers this freaking month. August of 2020, despite all the madness and all the craziness. But man, I'm very, very excited. Let's pull out the laptop and let's get this started. Alright, so if you guys know how this section goes, I pull out my freaking laptop, little customization. We're just gonna go ahead and take a look at the full collection for him. Let me just go ahead and make this full screen for you guys right now. Okay, so we should be full screen right about now. I'm gonna fix my chain. Okay, and I'm gonna go and refresh the page so we get that nice on view. And I'm actually excited. I know the material of his clothing is very, very good. Got a lot of pieces. So I'm just gonna peep. I'm gonna tap through and just see everything. Ooh, we got chains too, all right. Oh, and it comes in various colors. Oh, this is tough. This ain't no regular merch. This is a whole brand. Come on now. Wang in this thing. Wang in this thing. Okay, so those are just, so we got the tops, bottoms, tees, hats. Let me see the hats. Okay, so no hats right now. Socks, yeah, we can pass on those. Accessories, you do got backpack, you got chains, you got, ooh, earrings. This is just kind of live to me, you know what I mean? I'm messing with it. Okay, so we're only gonna take a look at the newer things, and you guys already know I can't start off with the top rows. I always gotta start off at the bottom, because for some reason, something I've noticed, all brands or like merch teams or whatever, they always put the fire pieces on that top row. As you can see, it's usually like the hoodies, long sleeves, and whatnot. So we're gonna start off at the bottom. So right here we have the stickers, two-tone, got various colors. So I don't think you can make it full screen, but I mean we can see it, it's fine. So they have it in lavender, now it's frost green, powder blue, and cream. I like the cream one. Cream one is definitely like my favorite. If I didn't have, just a little heads up, if I didn't have like this case on my laptop, I'll probably just cover it with stickers, or maybe have like a few just cool stickers I'll put like in various corners. So just style it a cool way with some of the stickers. We got the first piece. It's cool, it's nice. I'm assuming that this is a bandana. It's crazy, bro. Man got colorways. Okay, so this says Save the Bees bandana. I'm gonna need y'all to educate me. What is Save the Bees? Is that like the name of his album? Is that like a song? Is it like a slogan he go by? Let me know. So the 22-inch bandana. I really like that orange one. That orange one is definitely probably the hardest one for me. So this one was the cream blue. Yeah, definitely this orange one. And it's cool. That's what I'm saying. This is not that regular-ish. This is a whole brand from the looks of it. This is a whole brand. And they got masks. They got two different masks, golf masks. Oh, and it comes in a 2-pack. All right. Give the people a good deal, man. Give the people a very, very good deal. I'm messing with it, man. Definitely messing with this. You know, just regular mask. I ain't gonna lie, this don't look like it's gonna cover your nose though. No cap. Does not look like it's gonna cover your nose. Alright, and then we got a lighter if you wanna just flame stuff up. We got it in 2 colors. We got it in green and we got it in black, of course. My bad if it seems like I'm going through the last row pretty fast, because usually the last row don't make it to the rankings. Oh, they got some boxes. Logo boxes. I ain't gonna lie. I put copies. I mean, because like, you don't know anything. I like having to like various boxes of just various brands. I don't know. This is something I've been into. So, you know what I'm saying? Especially like 3-pack for $45. I ain't gonna lie. Like, this might be too much information, but I ain't gonna lie. Like, what's my favorite ones? Oh, this one's tough. I would definitely get this black one. The little light blue contrast. I feel like it'll look cool. It'll definitely look cool. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, with literally any Yeah, definitely. I feel like this one would definitely be hard. You know, that light blue just popping. So definitely, I'm messing with these. I'm messing with these low key. Okay, so the first row, y'all know it's M. We usually don't go ahead and ranking that. So I think these are more. Oh no, these are boxers. Are these satin? Oh, 100%. All right, if these were like some satin boxers type thing, get these for like the girls and whatnot. But I ain't gonna lie. These is tough, you know what I mean? You got like your whole you got your whole package right here. You got, you know, if you need a bandana, tie up your hair. You got your lighter, you got your mask, and you got your undies, you know what I'm saying? So right now, we got some socks. They're like regular or whatever. Like, actually, it's kind of live. I would actually kind of consider these no cap. I just kind of like the logo, the little B. I think it's kind of cool and unique. I wouldn't really go ahead and get the golf ones. They got different various packs. Dang, this guy, he just kind of smart. He just got all these nice, cool little knickknacks. I ain't the biggest on socks, but like I said, just going through these just so you guys can go ahead and see. Nothing too major, but I definitely like these. And then we got this backpack, this golf backpack, just a regular backpack, but they have it in different colors. I'm feeling this green one, but the light blue is also calling my name. But with the black contrast, we gotta go with the olive green, of course. So, you know, $80, $80. That's hefty. That's definitely hefty. I didn't think you could hold that much in that backpack. Okay, so the first two rows, that's the little knickknacks. Now, we're into that serious stuff. I gotta take my time with these pieces. Okay, so we got the Golf Mini 3D two-tone. The Golf is two-tone. Okay, T. So this for 35. Zone. Okay, so it says Golf over there. Got it in gray. Cream. I ain't gonna lie, the cream is just really do kind of like this. I might not cop stuff from this collection, but I would definitely end up copping some of this stuff in the future. Because something, if you guys did not know, I have a lot of graphic tees, as you can tell, probably behind and whatnot. And if you've been watching a few of my videos, I have a lot of graphic tees. And I still want to have like that regular drip, like to where like I don't have a graphic tee. It could just be a nice colored shirt, or maybe like a washed color. But then again, I don't want it to just be fully plain. So having something like Golf, I feel like that would be like a nice clean touch to my collection. And I think it's something that I will need. Right now, I'm kind of messing with it. It's like the everyday wear stuff. Literally go ahead and get this in a large, 100% cotton, screen printed logo. I'm messing with it. It is like the everyday wear. Like when I think about like just the classic men's fashion, he basically got that on here. Like I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So what is this one? Oh, so this is just the regular Golf logo tee. I like the two-tone one a little bit more, and they have the same colors. Yeah, I definitely like the two-tone one more. I guess cream would be my favorite one, but yeah, definitely this one is definitely gonna rank for the shirts. You gotta get the 3D two-tone for sure. And now we got some shorts. So here's the Golf sweat shorts. Let me see if I can see the draw. I feel like these would have a comfy fit. I'd probably go for black. Aha, but the grays are tough too. I ain't gonna lie. I'd probably go ahead and get the black. I mean, like the prices, it's like they're borderline, like stay away, and they're borderline yum, you know what I mean? But I don't know the exclusivity of this. I don't know how long it's gonna last. So for those of you guys who may know like resale predictions or kind of know what this goes for, go ahead and try to educate me down below. Leave a comment and just let me know kind of like what the resale value is kind of like. I said this is kind of what more I'm looking for. So this is the 3D two-tone logo sweats. And I guess the other one was the regular one. Let me just go back and make sure. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm messing with these a whole lot more. I like these colors. That cream is calling my... Oh, that cream would go stupid hard, bro. Freak, bro. That cream would go hard. And this green one. Oh, shit. Some of these is tough. And I know what y'all, some of y'all might be like, oh my God, it's too much colors for me. But for me, I'm just like, I already have, I have a huge, like, I got a great amount of just neutral, like, black, white, and grays. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything from shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, pants, shorts, shoes. You know what I mean? I don't have enough colors in my collection. So I've officially, I got enough, you know what I'm saying, of just the neutral colors. I need something that gives me a little bit more of a pop so I can wear some of my neutral things and have like something like this to give that pop. That's essentially like my whole layout or thought process when I'm looking at this collection and how it fits me. Because, you know, whenever you're looking at pieces, merch collections, brands, whatever the case may be, always assess how it will fit in your collection, you know what I mean? Unless it's like just a resale opportunity, then you can just go ahead and resell it, but definitely that. This cozy, this is 3D. I ain't too big on sweats, I ain't gonna lie to you. Just because of I feel like it's a bit too cozy for me. And the cuff, yeah. But yeah. I mean, but these are cool, but $80 is pretty steep. I can't lie to you guys. Okay, so for this row, this is looking good. I'm gonna give you guys I think top 5 is good. Top 5 is definitely good. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this, the mini golf logo. We got it in white, black, gray. I'm messing with the white. No, I'm dumb. I'm messing with the black. I would definitely get like hit this. Cause it's like an everyday wear thing. It's nothing too loud. It's nothing too less. I'm gonna save this hoodie because I feel like it's gonna be the toughest. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the that one on the left. $90. Ooh. Okay, so we got the golf logo hoodie. These are cozy hoodies. Is it embroidered? Okay, that's why the price is up there. Oh, this is tough. It's embroidered. I love embroidered stuff because if you don't know, when you have embroidered things, very, very good quality. Like whenever I pop out with some type of merch, I will actually go ahead and definitely try to get something embroidered in the front. And I'll have a screen printed design, maybe even an embroidered design in the back. But if I'm doing that, just know it might break the bank, but I'll make it exclusive just so you know that it's that exclusive drip, that easy drip, you know what I mean? Oh, this is nice. The gray one is probably one I would want to get, but I'd be sweating, so I don't know. What is this? This is white and blue, and this one is white and green. I like these. Please tell me that this two-tone one is, they embroidered this one too. That is tough. Oh, should I pull the trigger? And I love this freaking color. But no. If you guys didn't know, I have a nav piece that's coming in that color. So but this one is not, and I already have a light blue one. Shoot, but the cream, shoot, I'm spazzing out. I actually like this stuff, bro. I think if I had to cop one, it would definitely have to just be that OG green one with the like two-tone golf. I'm vibing this. Whoever told me to go ahead, shout out to you who told me to go ahead and check out this merch. I'm actually rocking and vibing with it, bro. I love embroidered pieces, man. It just, I don't know, like it just warms me up. I'm just like, they're actually putting quality and time into their stuff. They really stretching things with their manufacturers. So right now we got to Save the Bees hoodie by the Golf Wang. And yeah, someone give me some more history about Golf Wang. I just want to know like the backing, how it came about and stuff like that, if you guys do know. So we got a Collins Fast Poly Mix, okay, not bad. Blend hoodie with the screen printed graphics, okay. So let me zoom in this boys. Flower Boy, Easy Child, that's what I like that one. Okay, so it's nice to see the back, needs to Save the Bees. I'm kind of messing with it. I'm usually not a big fan for things on the side, but I feel like in this case, it kind of complements the hoodie. This is tough. Freaking tough. Oh my goodness. I saw the orange in the beginning and I knew I was gonna like it a lot. And then this one is sand. Sand is tough. I just love, oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If I had the bread and this black one, the butterfly, the bees giving me like that, oh my goodness, I can't talk. The bees is giving me like this nice, cool little, it's giving me like that butterfly thing with all the colors and stuff like that. This yellow one, my eyes, it's too bright for my eyes. Let me get off this one. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, take my money. These are tough, bro. I'm not gonna lie. These 3 right here, dang, dang it. Bro, I'm telling you guys, in the future, like as my channel grows and I guess I start earning a little bit of revenue, my plan for videos like this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop, it's gonna be like a 3-part like series for like each merch review I go and do. I'll do a merch review. If I like the merch, I'm gonna cop the merch and also show you guys what it's like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and probably do like a lookbook or like on body. So I kind of want it to be like a 3-part thing for the future. So that is like my aim and plan with all of this. Okay, so top 5 pieces. I'm gonna do styles because within the Save the Bees hoodie one, I have a lot. You guys already know I like that orange, the sand, and the black. I would literally cop them right now. So let me just go ahead. Of course, this is number 1 right over here. For number 2, I'm gonna have to go with the embroidered lavender hoodie or like this collection. 3, I'm gonna go with this hoodie. 4, the two-tone or the 2-layer, 2D, whatever it was called. Let me just make sure. Yeah, the two-tone, the 3D two-tone shirt, so that's 4. And then this one right over here, this crew neck. All right, so essentially guys, I really did enjoy this freaking collection, bro. Like this merch review, I really didn't mess with it. There are a lot of pieces that I actually do like a lot that I would love to freaking add to my collection. And I'm like, guys, I just got 2 questions for you guys. One, let me know if you're copying, and if you are copying, like how much are you going to cop? I think you guys, like how many pieces are you going to cop? So you guys go ahead and answer that question. If you enjoyed this video, I just say do 2 things for me. Literally, just go ahead and smash that like button. I want to see, let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video. It was literally a great collection. I'm very, very happy that I went ahead and did it because I enjoyed it. And just again, guys, keep sending me pieces, bro. I really, really do enjoy this stuff. I want to, you know what I'm saying? You guys are helping culture me and like put me on to like different brands that I wouldn't normally go ahead and look at. Cause something like this, I heard about it, but I never took the time and effort to actually go and actually take a look at this website. And you know, surprisingly, like I like it a lot. And again, guys, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button because trust me, on the road to 10K. And as long as you get that, just by this month, I got some very, very heat videos that probably have already dropped, so that are still coming. But anyways, guys, support Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.